Los Angeles, 7:12 a.m. The sun's barely up, but the city's already loud. A guy named Jordan Hale is standing on the sidewalk, snapping 2 quick photos of a parked Honda. Click, click, a notification hits his phone. $18 received. Curbside proof captured. He didn't tow the car. He didn't ticket the car. He didn't even touch the car. He just took pictures. And this, right here, is one of America's newest, fastest growing money glitches of 2025, the Curbside Photo Clerk hustle. $8, $20 per car. $60, $120 a day. No talking, no confrontation, and no special skills. Parking wars, delivery disputes, HOA complaints, towing company verification, apartment landlords needing proof, insurance companies needing timestamps, neighbors reporting cars blocking driveways, fake claims, real damage, zero evidence. America needs proof, not drama. And Jordan, he gives them proof. Because evidence equals power. People pay when they need. Proof a car was blocking. Proof a car was not blocking. Proof of damage. Proof of no damage. Proof of where the vehicle was. Proof of tow eligibility. Proof for delivery disputes. Proof for landlord-tenant reports. It's the simplest service nobody wants to admit they need. Standard curbside proof photos, $8, $12. Night verification shots, $12, $20. Apartment complex parking audits, $25, $40. Insurance timestamp photos, $20, $35. Driveway block reports, $15, $25. Jordan does 8 to 12 cars a day. That's $70, $120 daily, $350, $500 weekly, $1,500, $2,000 monthly. Just snapping photos of parked cars. This hustle is exploding because so many industries rely on evidence. Towing companies, property managers, delivery drivers, insurance adjusters, tenants and landlords, HOS, Uber Lyft drivers, garage lot operators, eviction teams, night shift supervisors. They all need someone to confirm what happened, without showing up themselves. Jordan gets tasks from TaskRabbit Nextdoor, Facebook community groups, apartment FB groups, towing dispatcher apps, parking audit platforms, simple gig flyers, repeat clients. Once someone finds a reliable photo clerk, they stick with them like glue. 1. Client sends address plus car description. 2. You walk, drive to the spot. 3. Take 3 to 6 clean photos. Front, back, sides, license plate, surroundings. 4. Upload. 5. Get paid instantly. That's literally it. No arguments, no knocking doors, no confrontation, just time-stamped truth. You never touch the car. You never talk to the owner. You never stay long. You're not enforcing rules. You're just documenting reality. If someone asks, I'm just taking photos for the property manager. Simple, clean, legal, safe. People post results like, I made $90 before breakfast. Insurance paid me $30 for 4 pics. My HOA hired me twice a week. A towing company books me every Friday. Evidence pays, and America is obsessed with evidence. If you want a side hustle that's quiet, simple, non-confrontational, and pays shockingly well for the time, this is it. The Curbside Photo Clerk hustle. America's newest $120 day micro job. Smash like, hit subscribe, drop a emoji for my free Curbside Photo Starter Kit. Moneyverse out. If you're ready for more real talk about getting video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell.